Alright, welcome back. Today is going to be an extremely quick stream. This is intro to offensive security. I was messing around with this a little bit earlier, and yeah, I was having a little bit of fun with it and stuff. I don't know why I can't start the machine. Oh, probably because burp's on. I clicked on start machine and yeah, so messed up. Messed up. So we're going to start this guy up. But the attack box will immediately open. You can also use the IP address over here if you want. Okay, so we can exit split view or whatever. We can also use the IP address over here. Alright, the Go Buster, if you're using the attack box, so you guys know the Go Buster command for this is super weird. Alright, you actually gotta type in, it has to actually be in a certain, like you have to type it in a certain way. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that like real quick. So just open up a whole new terminal, because I was like stuck in the beginning. It was kind of funny actually. So you have to actually type in Go Buster dir tac w, and then wordlist.txt is right on their main page there in the root directory. So you do wordlist.txt, right, tac u, and then I did the IP address. I mean, if you're using the attack box, then you can go ahead and use what they have over here, okay? But I just went ahead and did the IP address because it's a .com site, so it does actually go out and try to look for it, right? So let's go ahead and try to ping this guy first. And like I said, it's going to be a super quick stream. Nothing really too hard here, but there was something that kind of piqued my interest that I kind of wanted to look at in this one. So quick, I'm not going to turn on the camera. But if we do first off an mmap, right? Always want to do an mmap. That IP address. I don't think I even did an mmap the last time. We got port 22 and port 80 open, okay? So let's go ahead and we'll do a quick Go Buster dir tac u. We're just going to use common.txt. I don't know if common.txt even has what we're looking for in it. The wordlist.txt that he has does. And it was bank transfer, I think. So if common.txt doesn't actually find anything, then we'll just go ahead and just log like right in this guy. But if we do 12v, if you use that wordlist that he has on his thing, then you actually find bank transfer. If we go to bank transfer, right? So right now our account is bank transfer. I think it is. Yep. So right now our account balance is negative $1,232, right? And if we go to bank transfer, it tells us right in here to go ahead and use Go Buster with their wordlist that they provided. And we're going to try to transfer $2,000, right? So let's go ahead from bank account 2276, right? So we're going to do 2276, and then our bank account number is 8881. 8881, amount 2,000. Send money, and we have successfully transferred $2,000 into our account, right? There we go, $767.68. Now, what I want to do, let's see if we go back there actually. We still have that. No, we do. Okay. I want to get it back to nothing. So let's go ahead and grab that like real quick. We'll say, yep. Submit, completed. What is office security completed and careers and cybersecurity completed. Okay. So we completed that room, right? Now something that I noticed, right, when I very first did this guy, was there's more going on here than just what they're showing. So if we do an F12, we can actually see that there's cookies here with bank value last of 2,000, right? So let's go ahead and do 0. I wonder if we could change this bank value to 0 also. And I wonder if the cookies will run off of that. So our account balance is now 0. So the cookies is actually working, and it's telling us the bank value and the bank value last, right? So this is like where I started looking at stuff. I was like, oh, that's weird. So let's do like negative 2,000. And let's say, yeah, so negative 2,000. What about negative 10,000? Refresh that. Okay, so the only thing we can go down to is negative 2,000, alright? That's the lowest number that we can go. It looks like. Refresh that. Now we're at positive 1,999. If we do 2,000, for our bank value, refresh that. We can get up to 2,000. Can we get up to 2,100, 2001? Refresh that. We can. Okay, can we get up to like 9,999? Maybe it's just I can't go above 10,000. Okay. Can we do 10,000, or do we need to put in like comma 000? Okay, so we can put in like 10,000. Let's see how much we can do with bank value last. Let's see how much we can transfer, right? So let's go back to 0, and let's do bank value last is 2,000, and we just gained $2,000 from there, but our bank value is $0 because that's what we told it, right? So can we refresh that again, or can we delete this bank value? Can we just delete that guy like right there, and then click refresh, and then we'll have, okay, so I started off again at negative $1,232. What if I start off at $2,000 and my bank value last $2,000? Will it go up to $4,000? It will not. Okay, what if I do $0 here, like that? Let's refresh that. So, okay, so bank value is really what we care about. We don't really care about bank value last at all. So we actually don't even have to transfer money. So we just delete that guy right there. And in the cookies, we can actually just make our bank value higher, right? 100,000. Let's try that. And it's still working, okay? So we're making our bank value increase just with the cookies alone. And then bank value last is allowing us to be able to transfer funds, right? Now I'm wondering if I do this and I add item and I say bank value last. Yeah, like I said, I was kind of playing around with this, and now I realize, like, wait a minute, we'll do $2,000 in this session, right? And we'll hit refresh here. Okay, so I'm not getting 2,000 more dollars. Same plus 2,000, but saying, hey, you're just stuck at 100,000 because that's my bank value. So I'd have to actually do I would have to actually do the math down here and do 102,000. You know, I have to do something like that, right? And then that would show an increase to $2,000 or whatever. Invalid date though, it's saying. I wonder if I actually need to put a date in there. We can also see that HTTP only is false. So if HTTP only is false, we know that's susceptible to we can steal cookies, things like that. Obviously, there's no cookies in here to really steal. You know, like a session token or something like that. I mean, we do have session tokens. There is a 100% session token to steal, but there's nothing in here that, you know, like we logged in or anything like that. So there's nothing that we could use to log in as somebody else. But that, I just want to show you like real quick, and you know, it's just kind of another way to be able to get into this guy and do different things, right? So we can definitely just change up. So actually, if we actually delete all, let's refresh it, see if we get congratulations. That congratulations is gone. If we just say, hey, I want to put in $1,000, we refresh that, we still get that if the bank is hacked, okay? And that's just with the cookies itself. So I think that's pretty cool, like right there, that it's going off the cookies and everything, just doing it like that. And that's just another way that you could start to look at stuff. And that is going to be it for this video. Like I said, it's super short, so hopefully you guys liked it. And yeah, have a good one.